Is 500 grams, so that's 1 pound, a little over a pound, along with all of this fluff up here. All right, so we'll leave that one. So this is a new pantyhose or stocking, and this pantyhose is from over 10 years now. Hi everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. We just got an earthquake of 4.7 magnitude. It was very unexpected, yes, because we don't know when it's coming, but it left us wondering when will be the next big one. But nevertheless, we are very safe and sound. So we're going to harvest some stuff, have some containers here, so come along with me. All right, guys, today is August 16th, and that's the day that we got the earthquake, 8:01 to be exact, 8:01 a.m. So not too long ago. I mean, thank God that it wasn't that big and that no damage was done. So God is good all the time. So I'm picking some habaneros, and I'm hearing that these peppers, not really these peppers, but peppers are very expensive in the market right now. And so we're encouraging you, ouch, that thing caught me. And so we're encouraging you to start that garden because the price of the food in the market is so high. So we have quite a number of habanero plants, and they just keep on giving. There's some more over here. These and this is one other plant, but these ones are a bit slender. All right, guys, let's see how much it weighs. This is weighing about 250 grams. Let's see how many pounds this is. Half a pound pepper, half of a pound pepper. All right, so let's harvest something, guys. Let's harvest the pineapple and see how much it weighs. All right, so we're harvesting this pineapple. Not fully ripe, but there's a little dent here, so I'm just going to take it just to preserve it. All right, so we let this ripen some more in the house. Okay, this is 500 grams, so that's 1 pound, a little over a pound, along with all of this fluff up here, a little over a pound. All right, we're gonna take this pumpkin. This is one other one, is well hammocked. So the tangerine nearest to it is brown. We taped it because it was given. It broke a bit right here, so we kind of doctor it up a bit, and it is trellised in this lemongrass because it decided to grow in the lemongrass or fever grass. So this is a new pantyhose or stocking, and this pantyhose is from over 10 years now. Ouch. Okay, this is quite heavy too. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. My, this is amazing. Just one seed. This seed was supposed to be a Tahitian melon squash. And this is not the squash it is producing. It has produced this. And about 6 of them are on the vine. So this is the second one we're harvesting. This one is quite heavy as well. Two kilograms, 500 grams. All right. All right, the 2 kilograms, 500 grams, that's 5.5 pounds. Sweating out here. Should have done this from morning, but we didn't plan to do this. But because there was a dent on the pineapple, we decided to do a harvesting video, taking our food before something else get to it. All right, so 5.5 pounds. The other one was what? I think over 6 pounds. All right, so let's see if there are 4 more now on the vine. I'm not sure if there are any more that's ready. So let's see. Let's check the tendril or the curlicue. Right. So this is a curlicue, the tendril that is nearest to it. These are they. One is here, one is here. So this is a better example. So this can be taken. Alright, let's see how much this weighs. Okay, 1 kilogram. Double checking. Alright, 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is little over 2 pounds. So we have 9 pounds of food so far from the garden. Harvested August 16, 2024. It's a nice feeling. 9 pounds of food so far. Let's check again to see if any other is ready. Okay, this one, tendril again, is brown. This one is pretty small. Wait, let me double check this. This is a bigger tendril right here. So guess what? I'm going to leave this one until this other tendril becomes brown. Right, so this is like a tendril. So this one is brown, but the major one is still green, so I'm going to leave that one. Alright, so I'll leave that one. Alright, so I'm leaving that one. So 3 more are still on the vine, so we let them grow and become established, more established. So let's check on some corns, the corn from the barrel. Let's see if we have any fit ones. Yeah, let's come. Alright, let's check on this to see what's in it, if there's anything. There are others on it, but just want to test one of them to see what's happening with them. So this is the test one. Look at that. Okay then, excitement. Wow. Alright, let's see if it's fully pollinated all the way down. What? Good. This is a shocker. Alright, so never expected this because of the hit it got with the hurricane. But yeah, this is an excitement and this is unexpected. Alright, I'm not going to take the others because we took one last week and it wasn't fully pollinated. it wasn't looking good like this. But the thing is that they are much smaller than the first batch that we did, because this is the second planting of this crop, and this batch is pretty small. I'm not sure because of probably because of the drought and the heat. It's taking a toll on the produce. But we're grateful. God is so good. Alright, so I'm going to leave the others when we're harvesting the other squashes, if they can go to that long time. Alright, so we harvested over 9 pounds of food today. Alright, so this is 9 pounds of food, or little over 9 pounds of food from our backyard garden, our Jamaican backyard garden. And most of it grown in containers. Alright, so to start that garden, 1 container at a time, over 9 pounds of food. Imagine that. August 16, 2024. Let's go grow something 1 container at a time. Bye bye for now. See you soon.